Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with T-Mobile 5G home internet smart controls step by step clearly. To begin the authentication process for T-Mobile 5G home internet smart controls, ensure that your device is connected to the T-Mobile 5G home network. Open your web browser and type in the default IP address for the T-Mobile gateway. The address is usually 192.168.12.1. Press enter to navigate to the login page. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials. The default username is typically admin. The default password can often be found on the sticker located on the side or bottom of your T-Mobile gateway. Enter the default password and click the login button. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Look for the section labeled Smart Controls or Device Management. Click on this section to access the Smart Controls settings. Here, you may find options to manage connected devices, set parental controls, or adjust other settings. To customize your settings, follow the on-screen prompts to make changes. If you wish to change your default username or password, navigate to the account settings. Enter your desired username and password, ensuring it meets the required criteria displayed. Save your changes and log out to secure your account. You can log back in any time using your new credentials. For additional support, refer to the T-Mobile support website or contact customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.